You can't only use columns for addition, they can also be useful for larger subtraction problems. The setup remains the same. So if we've got 32 here, take away 11, we can arrange it how we arrange an addition sum. So the number we're taking away from on top, 32, and the number that we're going to take away underneath, the 11. We put in our minus sign and our equal sign. Just like with column addition, we're going to start on the right hand side. So we're going to start with our units. So we do the simple sum of 2 take away 1, which should equal 1. We then move along to the tens column and we have 3 take away 1, which should equal 2, giving our answer of 21. Now, as long as the number on the bottom isn't bigger than the number on the top, it's easy to do with this method. Sometimes with subtraction we can run into a problem. So if the number on the bottom is larger than the number on the top, it can be difficult for us to solve. In this example, 32 take away 13, we'll arrange it as before, with the 32 on top and 13 on the bottom, and then we'll see our problem when we come to solve the units. We have 2 take away 3. So if I've got 2, and I'm trying to take away 3, it doesn't work. 1, 2, then there's nothing to take away. We're going to need to borrow for this, and we're going to borrow from the tens column. So we're going to take one of the tens away and put it in front of the 2, like this. So cross out the 30, and that's going to become a 20, and then the 10 is going to be put in front of the 2, and 10 add 2 makes 12. We're now going to solve the sum 12 minus 3 rather than 2 minus 3, and you should come up with the answer of 9. Then when we come to solve the tens column, instead of 3 take away 1, we're doing 2 take away 1, because we've already borrowed that 10 and moved it away. And again, the answer should be 1. So if you've got 19 there, well done. Okay, time for some practice. We've got a box of numbers on the right and a box of numbers on the left. You're going to see if you can take all the numbers on the right away from all the numbers on the left. There should be 25 different takeaway sums you can do. Remember, some of them will need borrowing, so if you need to recap, have a look at the previous slide. Check your answers on a calculator, and I hope you get them all correct.